Hello everyone. My topic today is about circle. So when we say circle, I have two standard formula. First is this one, x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared, where the center is at 0 and 0. So second is center is at h and k. So you have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So this is, the center is at h and k. Okay, the next or the third standard formula for circle, so I have now x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0 if the points are given, like this problem. So I have now, this is the equation of a circle given the points. Okay, so let's start solving this problem. So I have point 1 is at negative 2 and negative 4. This is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey, sorry, ey not f, ey, and then plus f equals 0. So negative 2, my x, and then my y is negative 4 squared plus d times negative 2 plus e, then y is negative 4 plus f is equals to 0. So negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. Negative 4 squared, that is 16. Then multiply, that will be negative 2d. Then multiply, that is negative 4e. Then plus f is equal to 0. Then sum up 4 plus 16, that is 20. Then minus 2d minus 4e plus f is equals to 0. Then I want to transpose this one to the right. So this will be negative 2d minus 4e plus f is equals to negative 20. So this is now my equation 1. Okay. So next will be at point 6 and 0. 6 and 0. So x squared, so this will be 6 squared. And then plus y is 0 squared. And then plus d times x or dx, so this will be d times 6 plus ey, e times 0, e times 0, and then plus f is equals to 0. So this will be 36. 0 squared is still 0. Then plus 6d plus 0 plus f is equal to 0. So this will be 36 plus 6d plus f is equal to 0. Again, I have to transpose 36 from left to right. So this will be 6d plus f is equals to negative 36. So this is now my equation 2. Next is at point 1 and 5. So this will be same. I will use this equation. So this will be 1 squared plus 5 squared plus d times 1 plus e times 5, then plus f is equal to 0. So this will be 1. 5 squared is 25 plus d plus 5e plus f is equal to 0. Sum up this one. So this will be 26 plus d plus 5e plus f is equal to 0. Again, I have to transpose this 26 to the right. So this will be d plus 5e plus f is equals to negative 26. So this is equation 3. By the way, I have to write all the equation at the top. So this will be negative 2d, my first equation, minus 4e plus f is equal to negative 20. Then second equation is 6d plus f is equal to negative 36. Then third equation is d plus 5e then plus f is equals to, inline, should be inline, so d then plus 5e then plus f is equal to negative 26. Okay, so that I can erase this one. Okay, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 2. This will be equation 3. Okay, so equate equation 1 and 3 so that we can come up with equation, same with equation 2. So equate equation 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So negative 2d minus 4e then plus f is equal to negative 20, and then the third equation is d plus 5e plus f is equal to negative 26. Okay, this is elimination method. So eliminate what variable? Eliminate e. Okay, so take note, eliminate e. So I need to multiply this one by 5, both sides. Then how about the third equation to come up with 20e with unlike sign? So this will be multiplied also this one by 4, both sides. Okay, so distribute. So this will be 5 times negative 2d, that is negative 10d. Then 5 times negative 4e, that is negative 20e. Then plus 5 times f, that is 5f. Then this will be equal to negative 100. Negative 20 times 5. Then to the next, the third equation. So this will be 4 times d is 4d. Then 4 times 5e, that is positive 20e. Then 4 times f, that will be 4f, is equal to, what is 26 times 4? 26 times 4. So this is 24, carry 2, 8, 10, 104. This is negative 104. So take note, e, the first equation having negative 20e, and then the third equation is positive 20e. This will be cross out. So I have now negative 10d plus 4e, that will be negative 6d. Then 5f plus 4f, that is 9f, is equal to, same sign, so this will be, add this one, right? So this will be 4, 0, 204. So negative 204. So this is now the fourth equation. Equation 4. Okay, take note. Equation 4 and equation 2. So there is no e in here, and then there is no e in equation 4. So equate equation 4 and 2. So equation 4 is negative 6d plus 9f is equal to negative 204. Then equation 2 is 6d plus f. Then this is negative 36. Okay. So no need to eliminate because we have already eliminated d, because negative 6d and then positive 6d. So d will be eliminated. Cross out. So this one, 9f plus f, that will be 10f. Understood, there is one in here, invisible one. Then is equal to negative 204 plus 36, this will be 10, carry 1, 4, 240. So we can solve now one variable in the equation. So divide this one by 10, both sides. This will be crossed out. So f will be equal to negative. So this will be crossed out 0. 24 divided by 1, that is negative 24. So I have now f equals negative 24. Then what's the next? I will plug in f is equals to negative 24 to the equation 2. So I will use equation 2. So this will be 6d plus f, then is equal to negative 36. So 6d, I will plug in, this will be negative 24 is equals to negative 36. 6d is equal to negative 36. Transpose to the right, this will change to positive 24. 6d is equal to 36 minus 24, that is negative 12. So divide both sides by 6 in order to solve the value of d. So d is equal to negative 2. So I have now, second variable is negative 2. Now what's the next? I will plug in f and d to the first equation. I will use the first equation. The first equation is negative 2d minus 4e plus f is equal to negative 20. So, plug in d. This is negative 2 minus 4e. Then, plug in f is equal to negative 24 equals negative 20. So, negative, that will be positive 4. So, this will be 4e. Then, minus 24 equals 20. Combine this one. Negative 24 plus 4, that is, let's start from negative 4e, and then this will be negative 20. Because this is unlike sign. So, subtract 24 minus 4, that is 20. And then, since 24 is bigger than 4, so the sign must be negative. Is equal to 20. Negative 4e. Transpose. So, this will be 20. Oh, sorry, there is negative. Sorry. Negative 20 plus positive 20. So, negative 4e is equal to 0. Then, divide negative 4 both sides. So, e is equal to 0. So, I will write all the variables from d, e, f. So, d is negative 2. Then, e is 0. Then, f is negative 24. Okay? So, let's go back to the equation, the original equation. The equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, x squared plus y squared plus dx. D is negative 2 times x plus e is 0. 0 times y plus f. F is negative 24 is equal to 0. So, this will be x squared plus y squared minus 2x 0. Then minus 24 is equal to 0. So, what's the center of this equation of a circle? So, I have to, actually this is the answer. This is the answer equation of the circle. Okay, I will extend my explanation. So, I want to find the center of this circle. So, x squared, then combine negative 2x. Then, how to solve the third term? So, divide this one by 2 and then squared. So, this will be 1. And then, plus 1, no, plus y squared, and then there is no 0 in here, and then this will be transposed to the right. This will be 24, and then plus 1. So take note, this is the r squared. So this will be 25. So therefore, the radius, or the center, center is at 1, and then 0, because the opposite of positive 1 is negative 1. And then since there is no y, so the 0, and then the radius is, this is r squared, right? R squared equals 25. So square root of 25, so we have r plus and minus 5. So this will be, the radius is 5. That's all. Thanks for watching.